Hello and welcome. Did you know that your vehicle can actually tell you about its current health and well-being? Would you like to know how your vehicle does this, and better yet, how can you turn this information to your advantage? In this video, we'll explore a new concept, live data, specifically OBD2 live data. Live data is a list of parameters, most of which are related to the engine and emissions, providing real-time information about a vehicle's performance and health. As a thermometer can tell us when we have a fever, a vehicle can tell us things like its temperature, speed, pressure, and more by collecting signals from various vehicle sensors, switches, and actuators. To understand what your vehicle is saying, you'll need a special tool called an OBD2 scan tool. Think of it as Google Translate for automobiles, translating a vehicle's language into one we can understand. But that's not the only function of live data, there's much more to it. Analyzing live data helps us identify potential issues when a vehicle isn't operating properly. For instance, if your car is using too much gas, you can check the live data to see if there's a problem with how the car is mixing air and fuel. Is the value outside the normal range? This ability can help you address issues faster and more accurately. While there's still a long way to go in understanding the meaning of each parameter or promptly spotting abnormal values among a list, you now have ideas and understanding of the purpose of OBD2 live data. Drive safely, and thanks for watching.